Today's lesson is going to be about comparing fractions, Chapter 18, Lesson 1. The important thing you need to know for this lesson is that if the denominators are the same, you can use the numerators to compare the fraction. So we're going to start with example 1 to show you how to do this. So in example 1, the fraction is 3/9 compared to 5/9. So what you're going to do is first you have to check to see that the denominators are the same. And they are the same. They're both 9s. Then next, you're just going to look above to the 3 and the 5, and you're going to see which one's smaller or bigger. 5 is bigger than 3, so your answer is 5/9 is greater than 3/9. Alright, we're going to go and try the next example, example 2. So for example 2, the fractions are 4/7 and 1/7. So once again, step 1 is to look at the denominators to see if they are the same. If the denominators are the same, then you can go ahead and look at the numerators and compare the two numbers there. 4 is bigger than 1, so that means 4/7 is greater than 1/7. Alright, the next examples we're going to do are when the denominators are different. So, if the denominators are not the same, just like it says right there, you're going to cross multiply. And we've already learned that, so it shouldn't be too hard for you to do. We're going to start with example 3. Okay, in example 3, the problem is 2/3 compared to 7/9. So all you have to do is cross multiply 7 times the 3. 3 times 7 is 21. So once again, I cross multiplied. I did 3 times 7, and that gave me 21. That's how I got the 21 up here. And then you cross multiply again. 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18. So once again, I did 9 times 2, and that equals 18. So all you have to do is see which one is the greater one. 21 is greater than 18, so that means 7/9 is the greater fraction. So I'm just going to erase this here and write in the answer. 7/9 is greater than 2/3. Right, we're going to try one more example, example 4. Okay, for example 4, we're going to cross multiply again because the denominators are not the same. So you're going to do 6 times 4. It doesn't matter which side you start with. So 6 times 4 equals 24. So I'm just going to put the 24 up here to remind me that that equals 24. And then 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is also 24. Okay, so once again, I did 3 times 8. That equals 24. So for this particular problem, neither of the fractions are greater than each other. So that means they are equal because they both equaled 24 when you cross multiplied them. So the answer for number 4 is equal.